Kenworth Truck Company is one of our favorite manufacturers of Class 8 semis on Earth. We have a special soft spot for old W900As, and so it's with a heavy heart that we have to make this video. Pictures of what looked like an updated W900 have circulated throughout the internet now for over 2 months. And last Thursday, Kenworth confirmed on social media that they are in fact releasing what looks like a replacement for the W900 called the W990. Kenworth is keeping their cards close to their chest until this Friday when they make an official announcement. Not a lot is known about this truck right now besides what it looks like and its name, and one of the biggest questions that we have is, will this replace the W900? Are they going to immediately cease production, or will they phase the W900 line out like they did with the T600 and the T800? My guess is they'll continue to produce the W900 along with the W990 and slowly reduce production of the older model until it goes into retirement. A lot of die-hard old-school Kenworth fans out there probably won't upgrade to the new model, but for those of you who are interested in the W990, here's what you might find. The W990 will most likely be the top-tier owner-operator truck that will take the spot of the W900, so it has to be a little bit more special than the T680. Interior-wise, we do have a picture of the interior of the W990, though it doesn't have all the options that we think will be included in the truck. You'll see the interior of the truck right here, and you can make a judgment for yourself. As you can clearly see, there's no screen there like on the 2680, and it does look like it's a little bit more high quality. However, it's not a huge leap above what the W900s have right now. Moving on to performance, we'll probably see a continuation of the MX Heavy Duty and the PX Medium Duty engines from PACCAR. Similar, if not identical horsepower numbers, and the fuel economy could be improved with that added aero on the W990. The appearance of the truck is clearly different than the W900, but that boxy shape is still there. The aero on the W990 is much more prevalent and looks very similar to the T680. The design in general gives off a much more plasticky aero feel, and that's why so many die-hard Kenworth fans are upset. The most important category, chrome, of course, will most likely be covered on this new truck also. Kenworth offers accessories for their W900 series, and I would assume they'll do the same for the W990. Aftermarket parts will soon follow. You might be asking, why get rid of the W900 when it's such an iconic and popular model for Kenworth? Well, because the truth is, it really isn't that popular anymore. In 2016, T680 sales accounted for 90% of the company's revenue, followed by the T880, which brought in 30% of the company's heavy truck sales. The company's remaining 10% was split between the W900, the T800B, and the T660. It just doesn't make financial sense for Kenworth to continue to build trucks that aren't selling when their T680s are flying off the showrooms into fleets. To sum this up, I think this is just a continuation of all the manufacturers moving towards the aero route instead of going with the more owner-operator customizable route. It's super unfortunate because it was Freightliner first, obviously, when we lost the Classic. But now it seems that we're going to lose the W900, which has been around for 57 years, since 1961, to this new W990. That's all we know about the truck for right now, but we will get all the details this coming Friday, September 28th, when Kenworth reveals the W990. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Once again, that's all we have for the W990 as of right now. We'll be making a separate video later on for the W900 and the history of that model, so stay tuned for that. If you guys would like to check out our website, jackschromeshop.com, that would be awesome. Not only that, we have a merch section with our t-shirts in there, and those t-shirts directly support this show. So we would appreciate it if you check the links out below. And besides that, that's all I have for today. And I just want you guys to remember that if your rig don't shine, you don't know Jack.